Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you a rented app that I created. This app was created using React and the data is retrieved from an MCP server that I created and is serving this contest, the rental property contest. Alright, so I have a simple form here for adding the rental property. I can go ahead and add or reset it. So there's a range filter here that ranges from 10,000 all the way to 1 million. Good. There is also a search filter here that we can use to search for the rental property either by the title or by the location. So let's go ahead. We can also see a delete button here and then an arrow button here to sort the columns in an ascending order or descending order. So let's go ahead and add one rental property. So the name is Luxury Apartments located at Anya, and this is the owner and this is the price. Great. So let's go ahead and filter for the range. So let's filter for at least a little above 20,000. Let's go further. Okay, now let's go beyond. Great. So we can also search by the location or by the title or the name of the property. So let's search for Luxury Apartment. Now let's put a random value here. Great. All looks good. Now let's go to the interesting part. So we can go ahead and sort any of the columns here in a descending or ascending order. Great. Now we can choose to delete any one that we want. So I can go with the one at enter. Great. Now all these functionalities that I've done here can be done by the AI. So let's go ahead and tell it to add a random rental property. So add a rental property called new home with a price tag of 20,000 and located at Mampro B. So the phone number is, let's use a random one. Great. So you can see the property has been created. New home. So this is the property. It's located at Mampro B. We can go ahead and tell it to update the name to new luxury buildings and the price to 40,000. Okay, so new luxury buildings and the price is now 40,000. So let's go ahead and tell the send a prompt to search for apartments at Osu. Great. So far, there is only one at Osu. We can say search for rentals with bedrooms. So we have 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. So we can say update the one at Cantonment to have 5 bedrooms. Great. So it has 5 bedrooms. Let's go ahead and delete the property at Mamprobi, and the name is Movement Apartment Duplex. So we'll just tell the AI to do that for us. So simple. The AI has deleted the apartment for us. Now, one powerful thing is that you can also upload an image that contains any data. So I have an image here. So I'll tell it to create the rental details from the image shared. Let's see it in action. So we have the Movement Apartment Duplex located at Mampro B going for 40,000. Okay, so let's remove the filter here. So you can see it. This is the Movement Apartment Duplex at Mampro B going for 40,000. So this is the app that I've built just to explore more AI opportunities. So in case if you need help with AI automations, I can help you with that. If you need to build MCP servers too, I can help you achieve that. Have a nice day.